Hello children, this is our GK class, class 3. In this lesson, we will try to know the traditional costume of the world. Do you know children, our India is well identified with their special costume, that is a sari. So let me first know about what is a traditional costume. Traditional costume are a way through which people and culture can define themselves and establish their identities. In this lesson, here in a picture you can see so many costumes are given. So let me try to identify the special costume. Here in a first figure you can see a woman wear a very special costume that look like a skirt and some scarf is there. So which country this costume belong to? This country is Japan. So write a name here, Japan, Japan. Second one, see the costume. A man, he has wear a long skirt type kurta and a special type of turban. So which country man he is? Can you identify? With the costume we can say that this person is belong to Saudi Arabia. Write a spelling here, Saudi Arabia. Right children? Let us move on the next one. Just you recall your mind and tell me the answer. From where you can see this type of costume? Most of the time I think you have seen this type of man wearing a costume. That person is belong to USA, Britain. Right children? Let us move on our fourth figure. So undoubtedly you can say that this woman belong to a country, India, because in a Indian culture most of the women they used to wear sari. So this lady is belong to India. Let us see our fifth picture. A man, here you can see a man with a skirt and a jacket. Do you know which country he belongs to? This is a special costume. The country is Scotland. Write a spelling here, Scotland. Scott, L-A-N-D, land, Scotland. Here a girl, very pretty girl. He has a long kurti. Do you know children which country girl she belongs to? She belongs to China. Let us move on our next. Here a girl, he has wearing a special type of costume. So which country this girl belongs to? This girl is belong to Nepal. That means by seeing the special type of costume we can identify the country name. The costume it define the country identities also. So let's we move on our next chapter. In the next chapter we have a world quiz type questions. So let us see the questions and their answer, and you children you just write down you just noted down these answers in your GK copy. Which continent has a world highest mountains? Mountain, this type of picture is called mountain, right children? So which continent has a world highest mountain? The correct answer is Asia. Write it here, Asia. Second is which continent has the most countries? The correct answer is Africa. Let us see our third question. Which continent has the longest mountain range? Mountain range? What is a mountain range, children? Mountain range, that means series of mountains are called mountain range. Which continent has the largest mountain range? The correct answer is South America. Let us see our next one. Which is the world's largest ocean? What is the right answer? The right answer will be Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Let us see our next question. Question number 5. Which is the world's largest river? Yes, the correct answer will be the Nile River. Let's move on. Question number 6. Which is the world's tallest peak? The tallest peak will be Mount Everest. So here is an 8 number question. Which is the world's highest waterfall? What is the answer, children? The highest waterfall is Angel Fall. Angel Fall in Venezuela. Question number 9. Which is the world's deepest lake? The correct answer will be the Nile. Deepest lake is Nile. Question number 10, children. Which is the world's biggest lake? The biggest lake is the Caspian Sea. Question number 11. Which country has the most island? The correct answer will be Indonesia. 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 Which is the world's largest island? The correct answer will be Greenland. Its name is green, but it is not a green look like. It is a white. Most of the time this land is covered with ice. Let us move on the next question. Which language is spoken by most people? Do you know, children? The correct answer is Mandarin. Mandarin. It is a form of Chinese language. So most of the people, they speak English. They speak Chinese in the world. Our next question is, which is the world's largest country? The largest country is Russia. Let's see our next question. It's a question number 15. Which is the world's smallest country? The correct answer is Vatican City. Let us see our next question. Question number 16. Which is the country with the largest population? Yes, correct answer will be China is the largest population country, and second one is our India. 1,35 crore population in India lies. Question number 17. Which is the most sparsely populated country in the world? That means very few peoples are there in which country? It is Mongolia city. Mangolia, Mongolia city. Let us see question number 18. Which is the most densely populated country in the world? The correct answer will be Monaco. Here, children, we have completed total 18 number questions. Hope all you have understood well. So write these questions in your copy and try to learn these answers. These answers are important for your next exam. I give you the one more homework. Here in a picture, this homework you will do in a book only. No need to write in a copy. You just do in a copy. In a book only. Puzzles yourself do, and write the here at the upside. You also write the homework with a date. Here you just see the picture and write the name, and here some questions are given. Here you write the name of the country, and by seeing the flag identify the country name and write accordingly in the book only. No need to write in the copy. Only page number 30 you have to do in your copy. And here the back side also some questions are given. Do these in a book only, right children? So next day we will see our next lesson 40. Thank you children. Goodbye children.